Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you absolutely beautiful and charming lace summer stitch. The stitch is easy, will be perfect for beginners. For the stitch you need to cast on. If you're going to knit the stitch in rows, you need to cast on the number that will be multiple of 10 plus 6 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches. So let's cast on 18 stitches. So multiple of 10 plus 6 plus 2, or 28 or 38 and so on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 18 stitches. First row, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2 will be the same as row number 1. Slip the first stitch and knit all stitches till the end. Purl the last selvage stitch and turn. Row number 3 and row number 4 will be the same as row number 1. Knit all stitches. Row number 5. Slip the first stitch. Now knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now make a yarn over, knit 1. Then make yarn over twice, 1, 2. Knit 1. Again make yarn over twice, 1, 2, knit 1. And for the last time, yarn over twice, knit 1. Now make a yarn over and repeat everything from the beginning. So these 10 stitches you will need to repeat as many times as needed. Knit 6, then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, and finish with yarn over. At the end we have 6 extra stitches, just knit 6 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 7, we are going to knit all stitches here. Now knit 6 until you reach the first yarn over stitch, and when you see yarn over, just drop it off the needle. Knit 1, drop the next double yarn over of the needle, then again knit 1, drop yarn over, knit 1, drop yarn over, knit 1, and one more yarn over, drop it off the needle, and knit all other stitches or until you reach the next yarn over. And purl the last selvage stitch. So we have done the first part of the pattern. Now next 4 rows we are going to repeat row number 1. Just slip the first stitch and knit all stitches. Rows number 7, 8, 9 and 10, knit all stitches. Turn and 3 more rows. Row number 11, slip the first stitch, knit 1, make a yarn over, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, and once more yarn over twice, yes, correct, once more yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5. Why knit 5, not knit 6? You remember we started at the beginning with knit 1, so together it will give us knit 6. So you go on repeating knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over, and then knit 5 as many times as needed. At the end we have 6 extra stitches. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over, and knit the last stitch, and also the selvage stitch we always purl. Okay, and the last row number 12, knit all stitches, knit 1, drop, yarn over stitch, knit 1, drop again, yarn over, knit 1, drop, yarn over, knit 1, drop, knit 1, drop, and knit all other stitches till the next yarn over stitch. Drop, yarn over, knit 1, drop, double yarn over this one, knit 1, drop, knit 1, drop, knit 1, again drop, knit 1, and finish with selvage stitch. That's it, we have done 12 rows. Now we are going to repeat everything from the beginning. For this example I have used medium worsted weight yarn. I like how the stitch looks with cotton yarn. So we start repeating everything from row number 1, knit next 4 rows, after that knit 6 and repeat the lace part in the center. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. If you are looking at written instruction, please check my blog, you can find it there. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.